Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today it is new yield, new swamp, baby. So we're gonna cut some holes. The Yamaha is back together. So we did find a lot of issues with it. So we found out that the L box had a giant hole.
Flashback.
If you look right there, the thing that's designed to keep water from going in the box and so you can drain it, it's gone. There's just a nice little hole there.
End of flashback.
The petcock was messed up. We lost all the fuel with that one. And I'm trying to think, there's a couple other issues we found and I'm kind of just forgotten. Anyways, got this nice swamp right behind my house. That's my house, the little one. And we're gonna cut through here, make some spots because I've been wanting to do this for years, but it really hasn't been that wet back here the last couple years. And it's kind of mellowing out a little bit right now. The other day it was actually a lot higher, but it's a swamp hole. I think we come back here with chainsaws, clean up some spots, and we can have some fun back here because it's pretty clear in areas. And we also are probably gonna get stuck and I don't know how we're gonna get back out. So we're gonna have to be very careful not to get too stuck. I think if we come right here would be a good starting point right here. But we're gonna see what happens. Everybody keeps saying we're going through the same holes. Let's make some new holes. And now down here, guys, this is where the crap is. Where the cream of the BS is. This is some thick stuff. We probably will only make it about 2 foot. We might go through this in the end and then we'll have to make the walk back home because that is, that's terrible. But we might try it. We don't have the Outlaws on though. We have the buzz saws, the rip saws, the buzz saws. And they're only 26s. There are some tall 26s and they are wide, baby. So who knows how well they're doing in the mud. Anyways, let me go get my waders on. I'll get my GoPro, we'll get a little chainsaw. We'll go ahead and cut a path through here and see what happens. Because I'm telling y'all, just take this tree, that tree out, and you have a nice spot going right in there. And that stuff looks fun. It might not be anything. It might be hard.
That's what she said.
And we get in there and that's all, and it stays right on top. But we won't know until we try, people. So new yield, new holes. Let me go get my stuff.
Eventually.
Hey, you just put this on?
Slide it on.
Well, Landon decided he was gonna come out here. We have a lot of cleaning to do, Landon. It ain't that bad. I'm gonna get cleaned and we're gonna ride through here. Yay. Oh, it's deep over here, Landon. I like it. No, there's a big log here. Oh, I can knock this over. I could have a place. I know. Oh, lizard. A lizard scared the poop out of me.
There is creatures in here.
Oh, there's always creatures. Watch out. Huh? I say that's the only spot, but problem is this tree's in the way and I don't think I can cut it open enough.
This is my spot to chill.
Watch out, walk out.
Hey, that's mine.
I'm gonna cut it up.
Cut it?
No, let me cut it. You need to go that way. Hey, go back on the dike. Cause if it falls, it hits your heart. Watch out, Landon, it's coming down that way. Yeah, let's try. Okay, guys, I think we got it to pretty decent. Me and Landon gonna drive through it. Sadly, I dropped my GoPro earlier and broke the strap, so he was hoping it doesn't break no more. I think we got it wide enough, but this thing is pretty wide, so he was hoping we got it right. I know, right? I should have made it a little wider. Ah! Well, there's a tree there. We probably should make it a little bit wider. We should have made it wider. I think the tiles are just too wide. I just can't quite get out of this spot. Oh, we're climbing up the tree, Landon. We'll fine.
You almost made us flip over.
We'll fine, buddy. I try not to. Woo! What? Woo! That ain't that bad, is it? Now this is why I don't know what we're gonna do, Landon. Huh? Like I thought, huh? You know it's deeper than you, right? Well, look how deep it is. You can hop off if you want, buddy, and just walk over there, and I'll just go back the way we came. Just walk that way. Walk to the wood. Well, that's why I walk at. This is gonna be good one day, but right now we have a lot of clearing left to do. I mean, it's already deep. We just got to get some more room. It's so deep right here. Right here, this tree right here got to be cut down. Hi, Landon. Dang, that tree is tougher than I thought. That tree that got to go, and these trees, we're going to take them out just because they're in the way. This one has to go. This one and that one, but I think that one's one. So my chainsaw died. What's funny is I have a brand new GoPro, brand new wadles at home, and a brand new chainsaw, and I'm just using all my old stuff, which I really wanted to use my old wadles because I didn't want to cut into my new wadles. So that's the reason now. GoPro, I just haven't set it up yet. Crap. The problem with this thing is the four-wheel drive doesn't unlock, so you're just kind of at the mercy of it. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh. I'm telling y'all guys, we come out here and just keep clearing all these trees out of the way, we can have a good swamp back here. Well guys, as you can see, there's a lot of work we need to do to this hole, but the chainsaw has died. I don't feel like getting in. We're also running out of time. I got some stuff to do late this afternoon. But me and Landon, he wants to go play in the mud, so we're gonna go to our other hole that y'all seen a million times. And yeah, we're gonna slowly get this hole there, guys. I'm telling you, if you can see right now, it's already about that deep, and we've never been in it. So just think how deep it is once we actually rut it up. Because the hole we're going to right now is about waist deep, and it used to be like a puddle. So anyways, we're gonna go over here and let Landon play in the mud just a little bit. Oh! Those tiles suck because they're so wide, they grab so bad. I want to throw you left or right. You gotta love when the kids come out and enjoying themselves. It's doing a lot of ticking. I'm hoping that the rear end ain't going out because it's brand new. But these cheap rear ends, who knows? But anyways, guys, I hope y'all liking the video so far. I was hoping to do a little more swamp stuff, but Landon wanted to come and he was all about it. And I'm like, I can't make him sit here all day. So we'll come back next week, or I don't know, my buddy wants to come down with his Can-Am, so who knows what we'll do next week. Well guys, the wind's picking up $190. The storm is coming in, so that's all we got today. We have a lot more cutting, but I can see potential, guys. I see potential, and I am so excited because we've been looking for new swamp, and this is a big swamp, very big, lots of water. Now in the summer, it dries up, but if we can go ahead and clear it out and dig some big holes. Anyways, guys, as always, hit like, comment, leave a subscription, or whatever you want to say. I guess subscribe, and let me know, should we keep with this swamp or should we do something else? Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one.